Good morning. September 24th, great day to be alive. We're taking a short 2.5 mile hike in Woodford State Park near Bennington, Vermont. I found these lean-tos to be very interesting that you can rent and stay overnight. This is called Hornbeam. They have several kinds. Let's go around the side and take a look at what they've got on the inside. Just a simple place, kind of like the bear shelters on the Appalachian Trail, and a little picnic table. And have several up the hill here. I'm going to go across the street and take a look at some of those area. Just a lovely, beautiful shaded spot. It's about 50 degrees this morning. This one is called yew, Y-E-W, a kind of tree that many of us are still learning. I'll go around the lean-to. And you can see once again just a simple area. Here's another little village of lean-tos that we've got going here. Really nice. So you can see a number of the other lean-tos up the road there. So another beautiful spot in Vermont. Going for a little hike here. Hope you have a good morning.